Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide pin on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click here, click here, and here you will find hide pin. Click on it and choose any option here, and that's it. It will be hidden, and that's how to hide the pin on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.